All right, this HADEN electric kettle, we got it for our wedding, and it has served us so well. We love it. It's super cute with this copper top, black body. I love that it's got clear things so you can see how much water is in it. To use it, it's super simple. You just push it down. It starts to heat up right away. It only takes a few seconds to heat up, or maybe a minute to heat up fully. It depends on how much water you have. This is pretty secure. There you see it starting. And then when it's done, this pops back up and you got boiling water. So it's been awesome. Highly recommend.